Chapter 13. Conjugation of Verbs. There are two main kinds of conjugation of verbs, the strong and the weak. Verbs that form their past tense by adding ed, d, or t to the present, with or without any inside vowel change, are called weak verbs. Verbs that form their past tense by merely changing the vowel in the body of the present without adding an ending are called strong verbs. Weak verbs or regular verbs. Rule: verb plus ed. Present tense, present base form. Past tense, past form. Perfect tense: has or have or had plus past participle. Present base form: add becomes added by adding ed to make the past form, and ed is added to add to make the past participle form. Add, added, added. Allow, allowed, allowed. Appear, appeared, appeared. Ask, asked, asked. Boil, boiled, boiled. Borrow, borrowed, borrowed. Cheer, cheered, cheered. Clean, cleaned, cleaned. Now here the rule is verb plus d. We have the present base forms, past forms, and the past participle. Agree is the present base form. We add d to it to make the past form agreed. Also adding d to agree, we make the past participle form agreed. Agree, agreed, agreed. Advise, advised, advised. Arrive, arrived, arrived. Arrange, arranged, arranged. Care, cared, cared. Change, changed, changed. Charge, charged, charged. Close, closed, closed. Rule: doubling consonant plus ed. We have the present base forms, past forms, and past participle. Present base form is beg. We double the consonant g and add ed to make the past form begged. Also, to make the past participle, we double the consonant and add ed, begged. Beg, begged, begged. Cancel, cancelled, cancelled. Drop, dropped, dropped. Hope, hoped, hoped. Emit, emitted, emitted. Nod, nodded, nodded. Pat, patted, patted. Plan, planned, planned. Rule: y changes to I plus ed or I plus d. We have the present base form, past form, and past participle. Bury, y is removed and I and ed is added to make the past form buried. Y is removed and ied is added to make the past participle buried. Bury, buried, buried. Carry, carried, carried. Cry, cried, cried. Dry, dried, dried. Fry, fried, fried. Try, tried, tried. Rule: past and past participle ending with T. Present base form, past participle. Bend, bent, bent. Build, built, built. Burn, burnt, burnt. Buy, bought, bought. Catch, caught, caught. Creep, crept, crept. Fight, fought, fought. Strong verbs or irregular verbs. Rule: changing inside vowel. Present base form, past participle. Abide, abode, abode. We have changed the inside vowel I to O. Become, became, become. Behold, beheld, beheld. Bid, bade, bidden or bid. Bite, bit, bitten or bit. Hold, held, held. Make, made, made. Rule: past participle ending with N or EN. Present base form, past participle. Arise, arose, arisen. Awake, awoke, awoken. Be, am, is, are. Was, were, been. Bear, bore, born. Bear, bore, born. Instead of en, add any. Beat, beat, beaten. Break, broke, broken. Choose, chose, chosen. Do, did, done. Drive, drove, driven. Eat, ate, eaten. Rule: past changes to E, past participle changes to N. Present base form, past participle. Blow, blew, blown. Draw, drew, drawn. Fly, flew, flown. Grow, grew, grown. Know, knew, known. Rule: past changes to A, past participle changes to U. Present base form, past participle. Begin, began, begun. Drink, drank, drunk. Fling, flang, flung. Ring, rang, rung. Run, ran, run. Rule: past changes to U, past participle changes to U. Present base form, past participle. Cling, clung, clung. Dig, dug, dug. Hang, hung, hung. Spin, spun, spun. Stick, stuck, stuck. Strike, struck, struck or stricken. Rule: without any change. Present base form, past participle. Bet, bet, bet. Bid, bid, bid. Burst, burst, burst. Cast, cast, cast. Cost, cost, cost. Cut, cut, hit, hit, hit. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Let, let, let. Put, put, put. Verbs that are often confused. Present base form, past participle. Fall means to drop down, fell, fallen. Feel means to perceive, felt, felt. Fill means to make full, filled, filled. Fail means to be unsuccessful, failed, failed. Lie means to sleep or rest lengthwise, lay, lain. Lie means to make false statement, lied, lied. Lay means place or set down, laid, laid. Loose or loosen means to untie or relax, loosed, loosened, loosed, loosened. Lose means to forfeit or miss, lost, lost. Raise means lift up, raised, raised. Rise means to ascend, rose, risen.
Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.